Hello and welcome to a special series for our Car Dealer Power Awards. I'm James Batchelor and today I'm chatting to the winner of our Cleaning Product of the Year category, Autoglym. And joining me from the company is Mark Doherty. Mark, huge congratulations. You and the team must be absolutely delighted.
Yeah, we are completely over the moon. It's a really wonderful category to win, and we're very pleased indeed. Thank you.
Yeah, and unlike other awards, these awards are voted for by your customers. They're voted for by dealers. This year we had record number of entries. Over 2,000 dealers got involved, and your category was incredibly closely fought. So, what does it mean to you knowing that your customers, dealers, have voted you this award?
Yeah, it means an incredible amount, as you say. Being voted for by your customers rather than a panel just means there's just so much more weight to the award versus maybe some other ones. And I think, yeah, especially this year, being able to win it again this year, in light of everything that's happened, we've managed to still keep supplying our customers with the products that they need and in their business, and in the most trying year that any of us can remember. So to be thought of as a valuable supplier to them of car cleaning products, yeah, it just means so much this year.
Yeah, I can tell it's great. The motor trade, as we well know, it has had a very challenging 2020. But how has it been for Autoglym?
Yeah, it's not been our favourite year. I don't think anyone's going to say that by a long, by any stretch of the imagination. But yeah, we, like a lot of businesses, we faced tough times, and we're just so proud and delighted of everybody at Autoglym that's worked as hard as they can to make sure the business stays in the best condition that it can. For our colleagues that are on furlough, we have to keep the thing in good stead for them, but also at the same time launching more products, I think, than we've ever launched in one year before in response. So lots of sanitizers and enhanced cleaners, and just really all the things that dealers and all of our other customers were telling them that they urgently needed in their business.
Yeah, yeah. And I know you don't want to give away the crown jewels here, but looking ahead to 2021, is it going to be an exciting year? Have you got lots of plans?
Yeah, it's and now I think everyone's got as many cleaners and sanitizers they can stomach at the moment. So yeah, things are starting to return to sort of business as usual. We've got an eye on next year. The exciting products. The lab are working on some different things now that we're looking to bring to market. So yeah, there's always something exciting in the pipeline at Autoglym.
Fantastic. Well, once again, huge congratulations. It really is. It's great to be. Even though it's done digitally, it's still great to celebrate the companies that are doing a good job at the moment. So congratulations once again. Please do shout about the award, and thanks for coming on today.
Well, thank you so much. Bye now.
And if you want to find out who else has won at the Car Dealer Power Awards this year, do log on to cardealermagazine.co.uk and click on the Power tab at the top of the window. But until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.